To all my brides and bridesmaids to be wondering how to glam up on your big day, don't worry. I've got an easy step-by-step bridal tutorial for you guys. Hi guys, I'm Amisha and in today's video I'm going to show you step-by-step self-bridal tutorial. Keep on watching to know the look. Starting off with Prep Set Go Primer, as it makes my makeup stay all day long and gives a perfect canvas to start my base makeup. Then I'm using this Soft Blend Weightless foundation in the shade 115P Pinched Blush. This is a perfect foundation for wedding as this is lightweight, super hydrating and gives me the perfect coverage. It is important to choose the right concealer as wedding photos can be made flawless with Photoshop, but who needs editing when we have this Soft Blend liquid concealer to save the day. Touch up your makeup and keep the perfection of your wedding celebration looks intact with this Legit Matte Compact. This compact also has SPF 15 that will protect my skin from harmful UV rays. Then I'm using this lip and cheek tint in the shade Bare It Is as an eyeshadow. I love how these tints are highly pigmented and easy to blend. This is the perfect shade to try for the wedding look. To add a refined charm to my eyes, I am using this Nature Studio Kajal to create a dramatic eye look. I am applying it on my upper lash line and lower lash line to create that intense look. This kajal won't smudge as it is smudge proof and waterproof. So this is just perfect for your wedding. To complete my eye look, I am using this I Swear by Mascara. There may be happy tears on your wedding day, but you better believe there won't be any mascara smears. This I Swear by is waterproof and gives instant volume to my lashes. Nothing freshens up your look quite like a perfect blush with the right tint of bright shade. So to add that perfect flush of color to my cheeks, I am using this lip and cheek tint in the shade Peachy Keen. No look can be complete without the lipstick, and I love this Matte in Heaven lipstick as it is smudge proof, waterproof, transfer proof and long lasting. You don't have to worry about applying the lipstick again and again as this really lasts long, and the shades in this range is to die for. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Also, if you recreate this look, do tag us. We would love to see your recreations. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.